Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will explore polymorphism, which means many forms. Polymorphism allows us to define a single interface but have multiple implementations. It's especially useful when working with a group of objects that share a common base class. Here is an example. Class bird. It has a speak function which print tweet. Next we have a class parrot which inherits bird. Here we have the same function name speak, but it prints hello. Both classes have a speak method, but they behave differently. Now let's use polymorphism. Let's create a function def animal sound which accepts an argument animal. Inside it we have animal.speak. Now when you execute animal sound and you pass the argument bird, it outputs tweet. But when you call the function animal sound with parrot argument, it prints hello. The single function works with any object that has a speak method. This is powerful in larger systems where you can write generic code that adapts to specific types at runtime. Polymorphism enhances flexibility, reduces code duplication, and improves system scalability.